Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Material UI for consistent design system branding, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official Material UI website. Once there, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, choose the Installation tab from the navigation menu. Here, you will find the necessary commands for installation. If you are using NPM, copy the provided npm install command. Open your terminal or command prompt. Paste the command you copied and press enter to install Material UI. For projects using Yarn, copy the Yarn install command instead. Return to your terminal and paste the Yarn command. Press enter to initiate the installation. After the installation is complete, navigate to your project directory. Open the main JavaScript or TypeScript file of your application. Import the Material UI components you want to use. For example, to use the button component, add the following import statement. Import button from /material/button. Next, start implementing Material UI components in your code. Create a functional component and return Material UI elements. Utilize the extensive documentation provided on the Material UI website. Refer to the guidelines on creating custom themes for branding. To customize, use the Theme Provider component. Wrap your application with Theme Provider in the main render file. Define your custom theme using Create Theme from Material UI. Provide your theme to Theme Provider via the theme prop. Now your app should reflect your consistent branding across all components. Save your changes and run your application to see the updates. Explore additional Material UI components as needed. Use the documentation to understand the props and customization options. Regularly update your Material UI library for the latest features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.